Only 4 weeks after my last visit, I'm back here at Chalcatzingo. Another guest this time with Lilia. What did you just say? You like this place?
Oh, I like this place a lot.
Why?
Because it's like a desert.
That's what I always
And
think.
I like to climb mountains sometimes.
Sometimes. All right, we'll come back next week too. Yeah, it's amazing how deserty it is at this time of year compared to if you come from, let's say, June through November, where everything is green. But I love it. I say this every time that I do the same video, probably in the same spot. I'm probably standing in my own footprints from where I started this video 4 weeks ago with
like
Rick.
Being in Arizona.
That's what I said. Well, I said to Rick, I said it looks like you
Hilly and desert.
You for all you know, you could be in Arizona, which I will be in about 5 or 6 weeks. I'll be back in Arizona doing some of these desert mountain hikes. Lots of cactus around here, yeah?
Yeah.
I saw a roadrunner here last time, the only one I've ever seen in my life. And they do run as fast as in the cartoon. It's impossible for anybody to say the word roadrunner and for people to not think of the cartoon. Yeah, me. All right, and there's our objective. It's higher than that. It goes beyond and higher than that. Probably about another 25 or 30% higher. All right, are you ready to start?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. First break of the day. This seems to be the designated place for the first break of the day. It always is. Good views. It's decent enough. It's about 20 minutes after we start. And look at this panorama with me in the foreground, of course. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but this is behind me. All this cloud is actually ash from the volcano, from Popocatépetl volcano. It's been erupting all morning. When we were driving here, it kept erupting. There's always these big, thick ash clouds that rise up 1 or 2 kilometers into the air. And, but all of this, what I guess looks like cloud, it's the ash dissipating. And I can see the Popo right here. I don't know if I can see it in the camera. I don't know, somewhere. Where is it? Over here. But the camera can't pick it up. It's too... it's very sunny. There's no clouds, but the sky is white. I guess from, well, it's the time of year, plus from the volcano. But all this white is from the volcano. What are you doing?
Resting and grounding myself.
Grounding yourself? Hippie? Are you enjoying the desert? I think we can, oh no, I'll show one last thing. One last thing here. One thing I love about this is the cactus. Really good ones here. Different types. That's one type. It's, I guess, I'm not an expert, obviously. That's like a kind of a light green. Here's a darker green one. Here's the ones that are like a paddle. Some smaller ones. And we're going up there. Again, it's actually higher than that. I was saying, moving on. I don't think I've ever shown this one in all the videos I've taken here, but that's what I call the most famous cactus in this whole place. Why is it famous?
You always take pictures of it.
Yep. It stands out more than anything. Obviously, it's big, or as Americans would say, it's a big-ass cactus. Because it's not good enough to just say it's big. But there it is. And even better if you can get everything in here. Excellent. All right, carrying on. Having difficulty?
Vertigo and palpitations and head rush. Todo bien.
We're getting up. You ready? Let's go. Well, we've made it to the top. It took about 2.5 hours with a stop for lunch in the shade because there's no shade up here.
Okay.
And we found a cat.
Oh, we're feeding him.
I have no idea why there's a cat up here. As soon as I got up here before Lily, and I heard it. I thought I heard something. I thought it was a bird because there are vultures all over. And he's, or she, I'm not sure, is meowing like crazy. And Lily's giving him lots of chicken.
I'm gonna give him some water also.
Somebody must have brought him or her up and left them here.
Climb up with a cat.
Well, I can't imagine how a cat would find its way up here or why. Put it on level ground. Up here.
No,
Put,
because
oh.
Aquí, toma agüita, tontito. Es agua, tontito, toma.
Well, he was very happy to see me. And he's obviously
Acá, es agüita.
very hungry and thirsty.
Agüita. Oh, gatito.
We should see if we can bring him down with us.
Toma agua. Toma agua. Yeah, Tom will not drink it if you don't drink this. He doesn't want any water.
I don't know if he knows there's water there.
Gato, you should drink water more than you should eat chicken.
Well, I guess he got some moisture from the chicken. Oh, anyway. Wow, Popocatépetl volcano is still erupting. All that cloud is ash from the volcano. I can see a fresh plume coming out of the top. We gotta see what we're gonna do about this cat. I don't know if he could also be taken by a vulture. I don't know if these vultures, I don't know if they would take small prey or live prey. I don't know.
Oh. He doesn't want any water. ¿Qué quieres, gatito? Oh, no.
All right, gotta figure out what to do.